Did you know that a tiny pinch of magnesium-rich spinach or the potassium punch of a ripe banana could be the simple secret to stopping those nighttime leg cramps that jolt so many seniors awake? Think about it. A single forkful might spare you hours of painful toe pointing and calf rubbing. Now, let's dive in. Leg cramps hit almost half of adults over 60. They seize calves, hamstrings, even feet, and they strike at the worst moments. During a peaceful nap, a stroll with the grandkids, or your evening TV time. Dehydration, low electrolytes, and poor blood flow all play a role. But food is the one factor you can control 3 times every day. So today we'll spotlight 5 affordable, tasty foods that refill your body's mineral tank and calm twitchy muscles before they tighten. First up, bananas. One medium banana carries around 10% of your daily potassium and a healthy splash of magnesium. Potassium balances the electrical charge that tells muscles to squeeze and release. Without enough, those signals misfire, and cramps appear. Peel one into your breakfast oatmeal or slice it over whole grain toast with peanut butter. Second, spinach. A single cooked cup delivers over a third of the magnesium seniors need. Magnesium relaxes muscle fibers after each contraction, like a reset button. Wilt a handful into soup, layer it in a sandwich, or blend it into a smoothie for a green boost you barely taste. Third, Greek yogurt. Calcium isn't just for bones. Muscles rely on it to kickstart every movement. A 6-ounce serving gives you 15% of the day's calcium plus protein to repair aging tissues. Swirl in cinnamon and honey for dessert, or dollop it atop chili in place of sour cream. Fourth, salmon. A modest 3-ounce fillet brings vitamin D, omega-3 fats, and more potassium than a banana. Vitamin D helps shuttle calcium and magnesium into your muscles where they belong. Omega-3s fight inflammation that can squeeze blood vessels and trigger spasms. Bake salmon with lemon and dill, or flake leftovers into salads. Finally, sweet potatoes. One medium tuber packs twice the potassium of a banana, complex carbs for steady energy, and vitamin B6 to aid nerve signaling. Roast wedges with olive oil and rosemary, or mash them with a pinch of sea salt for a soothing side. Now here's the fun part. The one-bowl recipe that rolls all 5 foods into a single meal. Start by roasting diced sweet potato at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until edges crisp. While that cooks, pan-sear a salmon fillet, 2 minutes per side. Then finish in the oven beside the sweet potato. Toss 2 cups of fresh spinach in a bowl and let the warm salmon wilt it gently. Add the sweet potato cubes, then top with a quick dressing half cup, plain Greek yogurt mixed with a splash of lemon juice, cracked pepper, and chopped dill. Finish with banana coins scattered like little yellow gems on top. In under 15 minutes of prep, you've created a colorful senior-friendly power bowl brimming with the exact minerals that short-circuit cramps. By now, you can see the pattern. Feed your muscles potassium, magnesium, calcium, and healthy fats, and they behave. Skip them, and they rebel. So here's the takeaway. Enjoy 1 banana, a cup of leafy greens, a serving of yogurt or milk, fatty fish twice a week, and a sweet potato most days. Drink plenty of water, so those minerals travel freely through your bloodstream. Stretch your calves before bedtime and keep moving during the day to boost circulation. Do this and cramps should fade, letting you walk, garden, or dance without fear of sudden pain. If this simple food plan sounds doable, share it with a friend who's up at night massaging tight calves. And if you like today's tips, explore my other senior health videos for more easy nutrition fixes. Then tell me in the comments which of these 5 foods you'll add to your plate first. Banana, spinach, yogurt, salmon, or sweet potato. Your legs will thank you, and so will I.